Good morning. Thanks for tuning in to another watch list brought to you by FTX. If you don't have an FTX account, then there is a link in the description below that you can use to create an account and receive 10% off your trading fees. There's also a link in there for our Discord community for TRADERCOBB. If you're not in there, then I would encourage you to join our Discord community. There's a lot of useful information in there. We're also running a live webinar next Wednesday. Lou will be running that, the mentor at TRADERCOBB. Myself and Craig will be on there as well. So yeah, head over and come along, join in. It'll be fun. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. I've spoken about this before and I feel like I'm just repeating myself. Where we sort of need to break out of this $20,500 mark. We need to break to the upside before we really see some momentum. Craig did point out this morning that we've got the $20,000 round number through here. I'll just throw a line in just to make it a little bit more obvious. Now, I know it's not an exact level, but it is a round number, and we do pay attention to round numbers. And we can see that it sort of struggled to break into this range, and it has, and just got rejected, and it has again, and it's sitting in this range. Now, what could happen from here? Three things, right? We could just continue in this range sideways. We could break down out of this range, in which, in that case, we'll be looking for lower time frame shorts, or we break out to the upside and we'll be looking for lower time frame cradles to the upside. But until then, I don't think I'll be looking for trades on Bitcoin just because it is in that sticky position. Now, BNB is in the list because on this 4-hour time frame, it was looking really, really good. There was a 4-hour cradle there, well done 21, that did take that. But from here, we can stalk the lower time frames in the hope that we do see some interaction with levels or some nice cyclicity coming in on the lower time frames. There's nothing there for us at the moment, but it is in the list because it's trending and it's trending quite nicely. ENS is one, if I show you the daily time frame, a nice level through here, 1 test, 2 test. We've broken out. So this is the sort of price action that I'm hoping to see on Bitcoin above the $20,500 mark. Just a solid daily cradle breakout of that level. But on ENS, if we go to the 8, maybe the 4, yeah, we've got a lovely trend there on the 4 with a higher high and a higher low and a new higher high. Now, a pullback is what we're waiting for on this 4-hour time frame. I don't expect that we'll see a pullback to this level, but anywhere back in the range of the moving averages is what we're after. HNT, very similar to ENS. We've had a nice breakout of this level. A pullback to that level is what we're after. We do have a trend. It's not the prettiest, but yeah, a pullback to that level with a bullish candle off that level on the 4-hour. Is what we're after. Let's have a look lower to see if there's anything. You could argue that the 2 is trending as well. So yeah, the potential for a 2-hour cradle as well is there. RSR, let's have a look at the daily time frame. Now look at this for a trend. Again, this is what we need to happen on Bitcoin, just a solid breakout of a resistance level. So we've got a daily trend. Higher high and a higher low. We need that pullback to the moving averages. The moving averages do need to catch up. The 12 hours there, it's a little bit big for my liking, and the 8-hour was there as well. It just didn't close bullish enough for us. We did get the second one. You wouldn't be entered in, but depending on your trading plan, the potential is there. If we do see some buying, that could be our entry candle. We do have XXP in the list as well. It's got a nice resistance level through here. It does look like it's beginning to trend, so a breakout of that level and a pullback to that level is what we're after. Failing that, a solid break of that level, and we can stalk the lower time frames to the upside. But yeah, until then, we just need to see a little bit more momentum across the entire pairs. It's lacking momentum. I think everything's just waiting on Bitcoin to decide what its next move is going to be, whether it's to break out to the upside of the 20,500 or to the downside below the $20,000 mark. And yeah, I hope we see that by the end of the week. Fingers crossed. But yeah, that's the list that I'll be keeping an eye on for today. I hope you all have a great day, and don't forget to come along to Discord. We've got a free webinar running. Come along, join in. There'll be a lot of useful and helpful information in there. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon.